How to fix music option missing in Instagram notes. So if you are not being able to find the music option on your Instagram notes, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now what you need to do is simply open up your profile. Go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Tap on that. Go for settings and privacy, and then you can scroll all the way down and tap on help. Tap on report a problem, and then again tap on report a problem, and here tap on don't include, and you can simply enter that I'm not being able to have the music option on my Instagram notes, so I just want to fix to that. And you need to enter your email address, username of your account, and your mobile number. And once you've entered, you can report that problem to Instagram, and once you report it, within 24 hours or within 1 or 2 days, your problem will be fixed. And there is also another way. So if you have not updated your application, then you need to simply go for update. Open up your Play Store or your App Store, and then go for the search bar and search for Instagram. Once you've searched, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply update your application, and once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix your music option missing in Instagram notes. And if you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.